Dialight PRISM SMD, the industry's smallest, right-angle, surface-mount LED circuit board indicators. These innovative indicators enable a one-step manufacturing process, achieve cost savings through design simplification, utilize tape and reel packaging for efficiency, are pick-and-place compatible, and reflow ready. Key features include fused SMD LEDs and light pipe, various package sizes, different lens sizes and color options, plus tape and reel packaging. Package options. Select from single level, bi-level, and tri-level configurations, opt for lens sizes of 1.6, 2, or 3 mm, and choose from single, bi, and tricolor options including RGB. Typical applications for Dialight PRISM series SMD CBIs include data centers, telecommunication, next-gen wireless, test instruments, process controls, medical and handheld devices, battery-powered applications, and more. Access all of our support documentation and files like selector guides, customer drawings, datasheets, and 3D models. Learn more about our entire selection of PRISM SMD solutions at dialightsignalsandcomponents.com, where OE stands for our expertise.